This film supplements the instructions for use and serves to aid understanding. This film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use. It is also not a replacement for mandatory instructions or training courses. Not all products, features, or services mentioned in this video are available for sale in all countries. Contact your local Dräger representative for more information. Mentioned trademarks are only registered in certain countries and not necessarily in the country in which this material is released. Go to dräger.com/trademarks to find the current status. Today, we're demonstrating how to clean a Dräger compressed air breathing cylinder. Appropriate protective clothing should always be worn for this purpose. If the cylinder is heavily soiled, for example due to a fire, pre-cleaning should be carried out. This can be done with a brush, a double-sided soft sponge, and/or a lint-free cloth. Here, the pre-cleaning has already been done. Before cleaning, first check the pH value to ensure that the correct dosage has been observed, as per the instructions for use. First, the cylinder is cleaned with a soft, lint-free cloth, seen here in orange, a double-sided soft sponge, or a brush. Then it is rinsed off. Place the protective cover of the cylinder in the immersion bath and wash by hand. The cleaning residues are then removed from the cylinder using water and a soft, lint-free cloth, seen here in blue. To prevent contamination of the item to be cleaned, this should be done outside of the previously used areas and basins. The cylinder is placed on a special support plate in order to dry. Place the cleaned protective cover in the basket to prepare for drying. The protective cover in the basket can be dried in the drying cabinet below 60 degrees Celsius.